Hey everybody, Cindy here with Pathways Homestead. I'm going to give you a little quick garden tour, so hide and watch. We're going to start with our front garden bed. It's a flower bed. I've got mint growing, we got some cleavers, a little bit of garlic and stevia, chives. Got a little bit of thyme down there, some rosemary, oregano, more oregano, and our sage plant. A little bit of spearmint. Here we have our potatoes, some onions in the potatoes. We have lamb's quarter in there, cilantro. We're doing quite a bit of companion gardening in these 4 rows of potatoes. And then this row has a whole bunch of different things. So we have some daikon radishes here. There's a little bit of lettuce. There's some kale. We put some pepper plants in that little empty spot there. Then we've got our beets and carrots and radishes. So that's just a full long row. In our hoops here, we have cabbages and broccoli and a little bit of onions. A whole row of onions, a surprise squash that germinated on its own. And then on this last row, Gary has corn. We have a hill of squash, our celery. For this trellis, we have cucumbers, and they're just starting to sprout. All right, we have our Good Mother Stollards growing here on this trellis. Down here in the center, we have our North Georgia Candy Roasters squash, and they've sprouted. We have a big long row that we're leaving empty right now. We're going to put in our sweet potatoes. Then we have a row of peppers and eggplant. There's 4 eggplants in there, and then there's a whole bunch of peppers and a few tomatoes in that row. In this row, we have our Grandpa Cargill okra and our zucchini and yellow squash on the end down there. This row we have our black turtle beans, our green beans that did not sprout, and down here on the very end we have our cowpeas. All the straw here, we have our peppers and tomatoes all the way out to the end of the garden. Gary planted his watermelon in a hill here. It's yet to sprout. And then we're going to move to our raised beds. This is a new raised bed that we're starting an herb garden in. Here we have our original raised bed with our Egyptian walking onions and our garlic. Nothing's planted in this raised bed yet. This is a new one as well. We're going to move our strawberries as they spread. We'll move our starts over here. Strawberry and rhubarb's doing great. Looking really good. And in the window box, we put in a little bit of spinach. So that concludes our garden tour. Thanks for coming along. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. If you're interested in gardening in a small spot, we're the channel for you. Thanks for watching, and have a blessed day.